The goal of this style is va-va-voom, okay? And I have 2 days to get there. Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is LaToya Ebony, and my hair has kind of been through a lot. It's been clarified. It feels very dry. Last time I saw you, I was clarifying my hair, and now it's time to give it some va-va-voom. Hey loves, this is where we left off. My hair is freshly washed and dry with no added product. I leave my hair in 4 sections to dry and stretch with these hair clips. Having 4 sections allows me to keep my hair organized for styling. You'll need a spray bottle, a wide tooth comb, a tail comb, hair clips, small perm rods, I use 2 sizes, a light moisturizer, a mousse, and an oil. You can start where you'd like, but I like to start in the back. Dampen your hair with water from the mister to soften the hair. I'm using my fingers to part. Take a light moisturizer, mine has a strong smell, and smooth it onto the hair. Next, layer the mousse on and then the oil. Comb it out with a wide tooth comb. 2-strand twist the section, comb the ends, and roll the twist up onto the perm rod. A few tips. Start on dry or lightly dampened hair for faster drying time. And you don't need the oil. I just added it for shine. The moisturizer has plenty of oil already. And smooth the ends out before you roll it onto the perm rod for sleeker results. I personally like to avoid having an obvious part down the center of my head. So if you enjoy hiding that part as well, just focus on placing a row of perm rods directly into the center of the parting area. And you can do this from the back, moving all the way to the front. Many times when you're doing your own hair, you can forget to cover that part, so here's your reminder. Don't forget to repeat the same steps in the crown and the front sections. Of course, if you'd like a part and you want the hair to fall on one side or another, plan ahead and create that part ahead of time. You can use the clips to keep the hair in place and the integrity of the sections that you want. Now, if you'd like to have a pseudo bang, follow the pattern that I'm creating and roll the perm rods toward your face. I knew that I would run out of orange perm rods, so I used a slightly smaller size in the front of my head and by my temples, as you'll see later. The rest of the perm rods will be directed down toward my ears and shoulders because this is how I would like those curls to fall. I want to draw a little attention to this part of my hair. It has some of the finest strands. It's constantly being attacked by my scalp condition, seborrheic dermatitis, and the broken hair is too short to smooth onto a perm rod. If you have a section of hair that is similar, remedy this by braiding the root of that section and twisting the rest. Braids simply do a better job at catching that shorter hair. Shout out to the feeling of prepping the very last section of hair. Yes. Enjoy the music. So my hair is done, and I purposely used mousse because it dries very quickly. I actually am going out of town, out of state, and I've got a lot of stuff to do. So I will think about sitting under the dryer, but if you don't see a dryer clip, it's because I literally did not have time and it might have to be air dried. That being said, for tonight, all I'm doing is putting on my big, large bonnet. And then in the morning, I will take this down before I get on a plane. Just so you guys know, I have another channel called LaToya Ebony where I talk fashion, beauty, and lifestyle, and all of my vlogs are going to be on that channel. All of the vlogs outside of the hair stuff. So if you're interested, I will put that link down below so you know what I'm doing out of state. And I actually have a Los Angeles vlog coming up, and I'm currently going to New York. I have no idea when this vlog is going to be up, but just keep following and eventually it will come, okay? I am very, very excited. I am also very tired. This took me about 3 hours to do, 3 hours, mainly because I'm just so tired, and also because I've been taking it very easy on my hair, trying to be as gentle as possible, especially when I'm using this comb here, which does need to be replaced. And it is a lot of work. I have an event that I'm going to, so I want to make sure that my hair is extra special, and we will do the reveal tomorrow, okay? I'll see you in a bit. Hey, loves. I am back. By the way, I am very much aware that the people in UK say, hey, love. Hey, love. I know that they say love. I say loves. I got a comment about that. I am a few hours away from flying to New York, and I am very short on time, so I don't even know if I'm gonna have time to really separate and style my hair the way that I would like. So I do plan on doing a week in my hair where I show you guys how this hairstyle kind of transformed throughout the week, going to an event. And so I definitely would prefer for this to be a little fluffier for the event, I think. That is still 3 days away, so I have plenty of time. A quick note about unraveling the twists. No extra oil is needed. This was mentioned in my Amazon live stream. It was optional to begin with. Take your time and unwind the twist in the opposite direction a few times to loosen the twist up before you pull the twist apart. And just so you know, the ease of the pull apart is all in the prep work of detangling, twisting, and smoothing. So if you've done all the prep work, this part should be easy peasy. All right, so I can still feel that there are areas that I still have twists in, but I am running out of time, and rushing is the death of a hairstyle like this. So I am going to insert a clip that I have recorded, or that I will record, of how my hair is going to look when I get to the hotel and I can actually focus on it. The goal of this style is va-va-voom, okay? And I have 2 days to get there, and this is what we're starting with. So this style will transform. I'm doing a week in my hair, so you'll have to see how it turned out for the event. If it is a success or a total failure, you'll find out, because I'll let you know. This is not really my vibe the way that it is right now, but like I said, I don't want to rush. I feel that there's more twists to come out. I'm gonna bring my pick with me, a few perm rods just in case, and you know, I'm gonna rock with it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed. Stay tuned for more on this hairstyle, and I will see you on a Monday or Thursday. Mwah.